Hey guys, welcome to new topic today. Today is Honda's topic. Honda's INC the strategic analysis. Let's start this topic and please do subscribe, like, comment, share so we can more create videos like this. Thank you so much. Let's start. Section 1 Live Market Valuation. Evaluation Standard Retail Executive Limited against Activity Institution of Trading Floors. Second point, it's intraday market snapshot. $0.9.83 current market shares. Divergent market viewpoints. Standard dashboard celebrating a clean upward trading. Stock price underlying order book depth suggests institution block from executive heavy transition near established boundaries. Spectral retail momentum remaining highly sustained to the coordinate precision, quick making, simple technical analyze, absolute. Backlog and booking search. Backing booking velocity and pro form backlog. $110 cumulative record setting booking expensive achieved throughout the second quarter, heavily supported by the securing industrial order. Over 30 million in fresh high conservation order verified through the 1 month of the May alone. Pro form backlog. 450 million portfolio and exceptional milestone that establish a multi-year manufacturing software development framework. Backlog is highly diversified across mission critical railway communication and global dense. The supply overhang. Section 2 Analyze regular common stock listing of senior leadership liquidations and pattern. Impatient resale pressures. 2.7 million registered shares. $31 million insider selling. Structural conflict. You can see this chart by you on. Let's start. Capital bond outlay 50 million. Total annual revenue 70 million. 78 million operation and RDP cost. 28 million resulting net cash default. Operational foundation. Section 3 Dual operation pillars. Private wireless autonomous system and revenue flywheels. You can see this. You can read by you. DACT evolution milestone. 2024 company founded early, focus on core software defined IP. ठीक है. And regulatory secured crucial industry frequency approval from FCC. Class of North American Railway deployed networks. Fourth aero occupation from the high tech defined defense drone. Defense tech development layered drone survivals. Broken ecosystem analysis. You can see this by on. Static growth on an optical integration. Personal capital pressure. Investor open form. How many shares on this do you have currently hold? Thank you so much watching for this. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.